What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Happy Friday, TGIF. I'm making this video a little bit later in the day, so it's giving me time to see what has happened today. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Obviously, I'll let you know the area of interest where the next fight with Bitcoin is if we are to keep going up towards 70K. We're also going to take a look at Bitcoin dominance and the others charts. The others charts, which is big crypto market cap minus the top 10. Essentially the lower cap altcoins, smaller cap altcoins, and they have actually been holding up, and that's a positive thing. And we're also going to take a look at Rio and Naka and maybe some other projects too. And so without further ado, let's do this. Okay, so here's Bitcoin, right? 63,158. Today's Friday. We're gonna head into the weekend, so there's probably not gonna be too much action. Although sometimes there are. Sometimes there's a little bit of action on the weekends. But let's assume for the most part it's probably gonna be a just sideways chop for the next couple of days. Not too much movements, but we'll see. I am extremely bullish. If you don't know, here's the next fight for Bitcoin right here. Essentially 65,000, just right above where Bitcoin has wicked near the last couple of days, right? Just above it. We have to get bodies over it for us to continue towards 69,179 or 70,000. Okay, if we cannot make it past this area right here, then I think we're going to turn over and probably revisit 61,200. Okay, that's how I see that currently. Everything else that we've been looking at everything honestly looks pretty good. Okay, I am very extremely bullish. Okay, here was something interesting that I've been mentioning, right? The importance of how much money is out there. Let's see. Oh, it didn't show. I think here. Okay, right here. Global M2 versus Bitcoin, and it's recently started to move up more. It's at all-time high. 96 trillion dollars worth of global liquidity. How much money is out there in the global markets, and usually when this goes up, Bitcoin also goes up. So that's a huge one. This is extremely big. And I think there's going to be more and more money coming into the system, especially with the rate cuts that are going to come. There's probably going to be another 2 rate cuts left for this year, November and December, and things are looking very bright for 2025. Even the rest of this year, I think things are looking extremely bright. As my son is just doesn't care about anything. He's a madman. Let's see what else. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin dominance now. So after this nice pump up, we're giving some back, 58%. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, maybe do we come back all the way down here? I don't know. Let's see, or maybe we kind of hold out right around where we are and do some more consolidation just above this, right? The next step up, and eventually move up. Interesting that while we drop, others has held on really strong. Look, 4 green days in a row, clearly above 200 billion market cap, and we didn't quite get to this ascending line, descending line, which today would have been 217 billion. We got to 215, just shy 215 billion is more or less what we topped out at. Let's see if in these days and then in the coming days, maybe weeks, eventually I think we are going to break through here. Okay, eventually we are going to break through here. It seems right now that maybe we do. Before we break through here, we spend some time in this little triangle that you see right here. Okay, others, but that's fine, that's cool. Or hopefully soon in the next couple of days, maybe we just kind of break through. Once we break through here, we haven't done that in a while. Okay, we haven't done that in a while, and well, we haven't done that pretty much ever since we formed this. Once we break through here, then I think we are gonna start moving up towards this line up here. Well, first here, above here, which would be if it was today, it would be around 255 billion market cap, and then after that, I think it's probably some resistance right around here at 360 billion market cap, and eventually 500 billion market cap is where I see us touching. And if I zoom out a little bit more, I think at the height of the bull run, okay, sometime in the middle or late of 2025, we're going to be somewhere in this zone. Okay, that's between 1 and 3 trillion for essentially altcoins, lower cap altcoins. Okay, minus the top the top 10 in crypto. Okay, so that's where I see it, guys, and that really hasn't changed. I'm again super bullish. Let's take a look at a couple of altcoins that can make you some dough. I think Rio, could get up to 50, could do 50x. I mean, I think Rio could get. Let's see where it's at right now, because I think it could hit 4.3 and 1.4 billion in market cap. Let's see where that is. That would be a 22x 1.4. And up here at 4.3 billion, that would be a 77x, guys. That would be a 77x. I think it could do it. It's one of, from what I see, it's bottomed out, okay, and it's at this line. So far, when it went up and it came back down and tested this line, it kept it as a support. So now it's coming up. Notice how we're at $1.02, guys. Wouldn't it have been nice to have bought it at 60 cents, 59 cents, 55 cents, 57 cents, even 70 cents? It's at $1 now. But I would mention to you guys, you know, whenever it touches this line, come in contact with this line, it starts moving up. Obviously, we saw the fake out right here, and again the retest, and it's looking like it's moving up. Let's see if we can break past this $1.07 and hold on to the psychological number of $1 for Rio. But I'm very bullish on Rio, and I think it can do extremely well. It will do extremely well. And another one, a gaming play. Real world assets is what Rio is, our RWA play. And Naka, look at this pump up here. It went up to $1.20. It gave it back a lot, but it's still at $1 psychological level. Okay, so let's see if it can hold on to $1, stay above this line right here, which is at $1. This blue line right here. See if we can stay above it and continue the climb up. Naka is going to do extremely well too, guys. Okay, and I think that's it. Here's one of interest that I like, and now we're giving back a lot of these gains. Let's see where we end up bottoming out and holding kind of like a floor before moving up, and I think it will move up. This is Sinverse 0.0036 area of interest right here. If you're still looking for good projects, especially into gaming, this would be one to look at, guys. And let's leave it there. Oh, Miggles, because I'm extremely bullish on Miggles. If we can make it over, right, 0.0209, if we can make it over, and we're over it right now. If we can have like a body just over this line, this descending line right here, all right, just a body over, and then Saturday and Sunday stay above here, this line, then we might have something on our hands. We might be able to see Miggles start getting to 3 cents, 6 cents, and then new all-time highs. Just a matter of time. Just a matter of time, guys. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin and leave it there. I know you guys want to enjoy your weekend, but let's see. Is this the top out? It depends. If we can't make it through here, again, 65, around 64, 65,000, then yes, that was the top, and then we're just retest like this. Retest, boom, and if there's strength there, which I think there should be, then we can probably come back up again. All right, this is far from over. This is far from the cycle top. I think we have a long way to go, between 2 and 250,000, or maybe even more per Bitcoin in 2025. All right, cool, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all this stuff really does help. With all that said, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys Monday. Peace.
Clubs,